The oven is roaring with flames and preheated to around 700 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get this Tuscan grill in there to heat up. Tonight I'm treating myself to a bone-in ribeye steak, one of my favorite cuts. To prepare it, drizzle it with olive oil and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll coat it with this classic marinade, making sure it's fully covered, and repeat the process on both sides. Alright, the Tuscan grill is ready. Let's take it out and place the steak right in the middle, and then back into the oven. The heat is around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll give this ribeye 4 minutes per side. Okay, let's take it out, flip it, and put it back in the heat for another 4 minutes. Look at that. The steak is catching fire, and the flames are starting to change its shape. Let's get it out before it burns, and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes before slicing it up. Here I have some already baked potatoes. We're gonna cut them in half and place them in a cast iron skillet. We'll add some mushrooms, drizzle on some olive oil, and season with just a bit of salt. Then, we'll put the cast iron skillet in the oven for a couple of minutes, just long enough to make this quick and healthy salad. Both of these dishes go great with steak for my dinner tonight. Begin by slicing some fresh tomatoes in half, followed by some bell peppers and yellow onions. Then cut a lemon in half. Combine all these ingredients in a bowl with chopped parsley. Add the lemon juice and drizzle everything with some olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. And voila, you've got yourself a delicious summer salad. After all that hard work, it's time to chow down. Using my chef knife, I'm gonna follow along the line of the bone and then slice the whole thing up. This looks really good. A nice medium rare, just how I like it. You can see the crust all on the outside. I think we nailed it. This is my way to grill my steak using fire and flames.